Hello all. In this video, we will see how to install Jenkins in Ubuntu server. So let's first launch the EC2 servers. So I am choosing Ubuntu. So I will give launch instances. Yeah, I will choose Ubuntu server. So I am using free tier here. So here I am choosing 20.4 LTS. So here I am choosing T2 micro, and as it is, I am choosing the configuration, add tags. I'm giving name like Jenkins configure. So here I'm allowing all TCP. Okay, review, launch. I have some key pairs, so I'm choosing existing key pair. So here it is under pending status, so it needs to come a running status. So we have to wait. Now you can see our EC2 Ubuntu server came to running status, and 2 by 2 check it's passed. So now I'm going to log in the server. So I'm copying the public IP address. So the default username is Ubuntu. So I'm logging as a root user and clearing. So here I want to install the Jenkins. So for that I'm going to the Jenkins website. Jenkins installation. So this is the website. So I need to choose Linux. So our flavor is Ubuntu. I'm choosing Ubuntu. So here there are two types of support: long-term support release and another one weekly release. So in the I'm going to use long-term support release because when you go to launch instances in Ubuntu, you can see that here it is mentioned LTS. So this is long-term support. So I am choosing long-term support. So in this I have to run the script. This script I have to run. So I'm choosing Debian stable apt repository. So this is the fastest script compared to that one. So I am choosing this. So I'm giving this comment. So next I have to add the Jenkins repository. So I'm just copy paste this all command. So it will add the repository. So first command it is says Jenkins to automate installation and upgrade. So for the first command. So next update your local package index, then finally install Jenkins. So I need to update the things, whatever there I have to update. So it's still loading. Yes, it's done. Next, I'm going to give the next command apt-get install font config open jdk 11jre. So it will take some time, so we have to wait for some time. So you can see that it is unpacking and it's just installing the things. Okay, it's done. Next, we have to install Jenkins. So apt-get install sudo apt-get install Jenkins. So this is 92.1 MB. Sorry. Yes. So it will take some time. So meanwhile, I will pause the video. You can see that now it is completed. So we need to check whether it is installed or not. If you want to check, you can put the below comment ps es hyphen ef grep Jenkins. So you can see that now Jenkins is installed and it is running on port number 8080. So now we just installed the Jenkins on Ubuntu server. Next, we are going to log into that page. So you have to copy the public IP address. I'm just pasting the public IP and I'm giving the port number. So here we have to unlock the Jenkins. So here we have to unlock the Jenkins. So for that we have to use the cat command. So cat this command. I'm giving this command. This is the secret code. We can see only one times. So please copy paste either location and paste it below. So I'm pasting here and I'm giving continue. So it's went to inside. So install plugins. So I'm installing the plugins. So it will take some time. Meanwhile, I will pause the video. You can see that still it is installing. So now the installation is completed. So we have to add a username. I'm giving username like admin and I'm giving password. Save and continue. I'm giving save and finish. Start using Jenkins. So I'm just logging out and giving admin and password. So now you can see that we have logged into the Jenkins console.